Welcome to instructional videos. Today we're putting together the EuroFit Cascade. So to begin, you're going to remove all the parts from its convenient carry case. So the first thing I like to do is lay out the base. So I'm just going to lay out the feet. And the next thing I'm going to do is connect the corners to the feet, and you're going to connect the no number to the no number on the feet. And I'm going to repeat for the other side. Next thing I'm going to do is insert the bar to connect the base. So I'm just going to match up the numbers. This whole display goes together by matching all the numbered pieces together. Now that I have my base put together, I'm just going to set it to the side. Next thing I'm going to do is connect all the shock-corded poles together. You're just going to use the snap button to secure into place. These poles will be the side of your display. Now that I have my poles connected, the next thing I'm going to do is attach the center bar, but only on one side of the display. So I got the center pole connected. The next thing I'm going to do is connect the top of my display. So I'm just going to start matching up the numbers. And then using the push button, secure into place. This display is super easy to set up. Now that I have the top of my display connected, I'm going to connect the side pole. And as I'm connecting the side pole, I'm going to line it up with the center bar as well. Last thing I'm going to do is connect the center pole. Now that I have my display set up, I'm going to insert it into the base. So I'm just going to match up the numbers on the base to the bottom of my display. And then using the snap button, secure into place. Now that I have my display connected, I'm going to lay it down and attach the graphic. So I'm just going to slide my graphic onto the top of the display. And you want to line up the seams with the side of the pole. Once I get my graphic inserted, I'm just going to slide it down the display. And it's just that easy to set up your EuroFit Cascade. Now note that the EuroFit Cascade cannot be used as a standalone display.